Now, I love movies. We all love movies. A lot of us love movies. We all know that on the movie set, the director is us, and that your computer, Claude or ChatGPT, you're the director. And I need you to think of yourself like the director. And your AI is your crew and your cast. It is the actors, it is the lighting guys, it is cinematography, it is everything you need it to be. So when you get into your chat bubble, go ahead. You're the director. Give it a persona. Tell it you're the lead actor. You're the hero of this film. We all want you, we all need to want you to succeed. But in this scene we're filming now, we're going to see you at a low time. And we really need to feel your emotions in this scene. Okay? Now, for the crew and the cast, the context is the script, which they've all read. So you refer to the context and what scene and what page to everybody. The actor knows what he has to do. The lighting crew knows in this scene, this page, what the mood's supposed to be. So it's already going to be lit. And if it isn't, you're going to be more specific with that lighting gaffer. And then the task will be okay, I'm about to say action. Bring some light up over here, dim some light over there, bring up the sound, cue the sound. I'm not hearing it. And then you say action, and your actor starts to give you what you described for him, what you need out of that scene. And that would be the output, right? The whole crew's working right now during this scene. The camera's rolling, and the output is really going to be, in this case, a lot of it's going to be, it is a team effort, but you might have pulled your cinematographer or your DP aside at the beginning, right before you yelled action, and said, remember the scene? We are going for this mood. We want the audience to feel this. And it is up to the cinematographer to get that shot, use the right lens, get the right depth of field, get the right feeling, because this is the scene where our hero is hitting rock bottom, and we need the audience rooting for him as he climbs up that hill. Again, even in this situation, I would always ask that whole crew and ask me any clarifying questions so that we get a 95% output. And that could be on the lighting or on the acting or on anything. It will ask you whatever questions it's confused about to get you to a place of 95% or more clarity where you're both on the same page. And as I said before, this stuff might not be super important right now because the recursive learning is getting so quick that prompting seems like you can give it less and less, and it's still putting out a lot and good products. But I think, like I said, in the future and just in life, it'll be easier if you can learn to speak more economically. See, this video could have been much less than 8 minutes if I was a better speaker. I hope to see you all in the late adopter. Thanks. Bye.